Hello, 8th graders. Welcome to your very last English class of the entire school year. You've made it. You did it. It was a little rough there at the end, but we pushed through, and I'm really proud of you guys. The only thing that you have to do today is sorry, the lamp is crazy. You have your vocabulary roots quiz. So it's going to be on Google Classroom as a Google form. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on there. It's only going to allow you to take it one time. All of the roots there'll be a definition, and then there's going to be a drop down tab where you choose the root that matches with it for all of the roots. And then there's going to be a section of multiple choice at the bottom where I have created sentences with words that you probably aren't familiar with. Some of you might be, but it contains one of your roots, so you have to kind of decode what the word means based on the sentence, but mostly based on what you know about what that root word means. So it's multiple choice. You'll just choose that, and when you're all done, just hit submit. It will automatically send to me. So that's it. That's all you have. If you didn't do your journal already, you have one journal that you need to do for this week. That's also due today. So you had your book chat Monday, your quiz today, and your journal sometime in between there. But that's it. That's just the one journal. You don't have to do more than that. I will probably respond to your journal after you finish it. So if you want to go back here in the next couple days and just look at a lot of people I'm writing things, have a great summer, or maybe some of you have had kind of conversations with back and forth for the last couple of weeks. Just to kind of close that up, you don't have to respond to those. You don't even have to look if you don't want to, but they'll be there for you if you do want to see those. Just as kind of a final note, I really enjoyed having you guys in class, even though it seems like I didn't really see you very much. Mostly the first half of the year, and then I was gone, and then a lot of online stuff. But you guys have been a wonderful, wonderful group of 8th graders, and if you promise not to tell all the other classes I've taught, you might even be considered my favorite 8th graders that I've had. Just, keep that between you and me. I really look forward to having a lot of you again in 2 years for 10th grade. I know not all of you are going to be returning, and if that's you, I'm very sad to see you go. But I wish you all the best for your future, that you are successful wherever it is that you end up going. And to those of you who are returning, even though I might not be your English teacher next year, please feel free to stop in, chat, catch up. It's been a while. It will probably have been a very long time since I've seen you. And I miss you guys. So I hope that you have a fabulous summer. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about anything, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, that's all I've got. Have a wonderful summer.